This speedometer is not working. The steering assistant is inactive, because it relies on vehicle speed to function. Let's check the speed sensor. The speed sensor in this Kia Picanto is located at the engine transmission interface. We need to test this sensor. But first let's check the cable and the wiring. Testing the voltage output in the cable, the following voltage pattern should be observed. Now let's test the output by rotating the ring manually. The red toothed tone ring is press fit to the differential carrier, next to the drive gear. As it rotates, an AC voltage signal is generated. The ECU monitors this signal to check for changes in wheel speeds. Obviously, it is generating a signal. The sensor itself shows no electrical fault. The issue is likely mechanical. The ring is likely worn, breaking the coupling with the differential. As a result, the ring does not rotate with the car movement, and no signal is generated. I will replace this ring with a new one. This pin holds the ring shaft. If possible, extract the pin without drilling the hole. That would be better. A 2 mm drill bit can be used to push it out. The sensor is working just fine now. Thanks for watching.